Hey everyone, this is Peter with Carice.net, and in this video we are going to be reviewing Cocktail Frenzy for the Android platform. The Cocktail Frenzy game is similar to other online games such as Farmville or any game where you own a business and you have to serve the customers by clicking on certain services at a certain time, doing your time management. In this instance it is a bar, so we're mixing different recipes for customers and getting them their orders on time. Otherwise you get less tips and you have to get a certain amount of money per round in order to win and advance to the next round. This is one of the newer games on the platform. It's been circling the office for about a day or two now, and everyone's super addicted to it, so we thought we'd share it with all of you, our readers. So I'll do a demo level. We'll go through it all. I'll show you the ins and outs at a more advanced level instead of beginning, and then I'll take you to the achievements, which is a nice feature, and then end with just a quick few notes about the program. So with that, let's jump into it. So again, you are filling different glasses for different beverages. This drink station over here, you have a choice of orange, cherry, or lime, and again, as you see, the hearts go down. And once you place a glass with the customer, then it is ready to be taken away. And of course you want to manage your time. Once a glass is on their bill, and here we have to make a flaming drink. Once a glass is on their bill, then you just press on their bill for them to take it. Some other features to the game are you have the time up here, you have the total amount of money that you need to earn per round and what you've earned so far in the upper left hand corner, And again, once you start getting faster at it, you have everything on the bottom ready, and you just want to have everything prepared so the next round. Again, it's a very gimmicky kind of stupid game, but at the same time it's really addicting. Once you get to the higher levels, you start making different drink orders. Like for instance, I just made a bad order, so now I have to trash it, and then you lose time, you lose money. Kind of the same premise as those other games that you play. We've only have the trial with this right now, so we can't show you kind of the very highly advanced features of it, but there are some really cool drink mixes, that we'll show you in a second that you get to upgrade to once you earn a certain amount of money. And we were thinking of some features that we've listed in our write-up about this, if you're looking at that instead of on YouTube. And some of the things that we wish they put in the game, which they very well may have since we're only doing the trial, is different beer selections. We also thought that when you put the glass here, these kind of rearrange themselves every time to kind of trick you. Also that you can't just leave wine and beer down there and ready, that they essentially spoil or go bad in that sense. And so our goal is reached, so I'll let the time run out. Since it is the free game, what a very interesting concept that I thought on this game and a take on ads in general is in between levels it has this loading screen where it doesn't really, I would say, load much, as you'll see in the next screen, but it forces you to look at only this ad for a few seconds. Now, a good thing about this for advertisers is the fact that they get full exposure for the ad and everyone gets to see it. A good thing kind of about this game is you can leave it on the screen, turn the screen off, go do something else, and then come back. And it's a very nice kind of in-game. Something went wrong, didn't it? It's a very nice in-game pause. Right now we're running the leaked version of Froyo for this Captivate, so we have been getting some forced close errors on this phone that we haven't on others. Looks like I'll have to get out of it. Yeah, so there's the forced close. Okay, so we'll go back into it just real fast. But on the next page, essentially what you have is you can keep buying new recipes, and you can go on to the next level, and then once you get the highest level of recipes, then those get the most money, yada yada yada. Again, a very nice including feature in this, I can't talk today, is the achievements board. I mean, it just gives you little things. You know, you've served 100 clients, you've served 25 beers, you've made 50 juices. So neat little features like that. It is available in the Android market right now. The free version, again, has those ads, and it comes in a full version for, I believe, $2 on the Android market, so not too bad. Let's just verify that really fast. Again, it's very addicting. We haven't played through the full version. We're going to do that right now, and we'll maybe put an extra note on the article later next week. Come on. I'll let this load up so you can kind of see what the main one looks like. Oh, sorry, $3, not $2, so good thing I checked that. Again, and this one removes the ads, removes the block, because in the free version, once you get up to a certain level, it then just exits and deletes your save data and then forces you to either restart or buy the game. So here is Cocktail Frenzy for the Android system. If you have any questions or comments, put them below. And thanks for watching our video, and make sure to check out the full article on www.kerace.net.